Today guys, I'm up underneath, I don't know if you can see this real good, up underneath my truck. I am taking off the clamp that goes to the turbo and stuff right now, removing the stock exhaust pipe, and going to be replacing it with this 5-inch stainless steel pipe right here. And I've got the band loosened up there. Ooh. But I've just gotta get this, wiggle this around and get this exhaust loose from it and from this hanger right here. I'm gonna work around on this a second, and then maybe we'll get to putting this 5-inch on. So that was a pretty good challenge right there. Probably took me 20 or 30 minutes. I got the pipe going to the turbo down on, and now I'm going to start fitting the rest of the pipe and see how well it does. This should be interesting. First exhaust I've installed, but guess we'll give it a try. So as you can see, I've got the exhaust pipe installed, and just gotta finish up bolting up the clamps and see how it does. I went ahead and repainted my exhaust tip flat black, and so there's my finished product of a 5-inch exhaust. And I couldn't get a good video with my phone of the way it sounded out on the road, but I did give you that short clip, I guess, of sitting here idling, but it does not sound like that when you get out on the road. It's much quieter than the 5.9s. And yeah, in a way it's kindly disappointing, I guess, but I'm in the future I'm going to get the 5.9 tune for my Race Me tuner, and I will be installing it to hopefully get a better sound out of it. But I'd say my next project will be the CCV delete, maybe. And if you all have any comments or thoughts about that, pros and cons of that, that'd be good. And maybe a throttle valve delete kit, and just a thing or two under the hood. And I'm also going to be just letting you look at the exhaust a little bit. There's a sensor I got hanging, but see what finished right there. But I'm going to be changing the oil out. Probably going through the side right here and changing the filter. I'm putting in AMSOIL. synthetic. It's 5W40, I think. And gonna see how that does. Seen a lot of good reviews. Seems to work well, but this is probably about all there is to show about the exhaust installation. I didn't get really to show a whole lot because I'm still using my phone to video, and I done it all by myself. Like I said, it took a couple hours, I guess, by myself by the time I took the head pop off and took the old exhaust and stuff out from underneath here and put the new back on and hung the hangers and everything underneath here. And like this right here, I run out of exhaust hangers, so I kindly rigged it up with a good little wire tie right there, but it wiggles a little bit, but it's still pretty solid. And they got nice hangers welded on here, this stainless pipe. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a few things in the future as I get the spare money to do so. Still waiting to see how this tight fit in here, if this coil spring's gonna work. But I guess this is gonna be all for this video, and but I hope this was helpful to some of you all who might be gonna install. And but some of the tips I definitely recommend is lay your exhaust out and make sure of the length and stuff before you start putting it up in there, and kindly put your clamps on loose, and you can kindly see how it's going to go on before you actually put it up underneath there. And start at the front and work your way back. I mean, a lot of you all already know this, but some people, first timers, might not. And some things you might just have to roll with, like I did here at the end. And it may not go by the book, which most stuff don't. And but I had to take a couple pieces out because it was way too long up under here. I had to take a couple pieces off of it and just make it work. But it turned out pretty well. I'm pretty satisfied, except it's just don't seem to be loud enough and deep enough for me. But if anybody has any suggestions, just let me know in the comments. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks again.